In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off video autoplay on Twitter or X. Video autoplay is when videos on your Twitter feed start playing automatically without you tapping on them. Some people find this annoying because it can use up data and be distracting, so it's good to know how to disable it. To get started, open up the Twitter or X app. And then tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap Settings and Support. And then bring this up, and tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on the Settings page, scroll down to the bottom and tap Accessibility, Display, and Languages. And then tap Data Usage. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Video Autoplay. Just tap on it. As you can see, this is set to on cellular or Wi-Fi, which means videos will autoplay when you are using Wi-Fi or cellular data. To turn off video autoplay on Twitter or X, simply tap on the Never option. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.